according to some sources, tweets that have hashtags get 2 times more engagement than those without hashtags. And if you get more engagement, you'll get more visibility and you'll get more clicks on the links in your tweets. So remember to use hashtags. Now, if you're not familiar with hashtags or you don't know what they are, let's just look at some examples here. I'm just going to scroll down this Twitter account, look for some tweets that have hashtags. So here's the one that has a hashtag, SEO horror stories. And as you can see, there's a hashtag in front of there. And basically, people that are searching for that type of content are more likely to find your tweets if you put a hashtag in front of the subject. Now, a good place to find popular hashtags is at hashtags.org, and here you can find what the popular hashtags are, and you can get some ideas on what you could use for your tweets.